Welcome to my channel, All for Health with Jane. Yesterday, the 5th of September 2023, Johannesburg experienced another fire blast, which led to most of Johannesburg residents living in fear. Things are definitely falling apart in Johannesburg CBD. It is reported that at least only 5 people were injured and taken to hospital. According to EWN, this fire was caused by an explosion while the employees from Egoli Gas Company were conducting some maintenance on their pipelines. This took place at Corner Bertha and De Korte Streets in Braamfontein, Johannesburg, South Africa. The reports are saying this is the second gas explosion in Johannesburg in 2 months. We thank God at least no lives were lost. Family, let's watch these clips.
They were working on it and so you can see here at this point in time, so the fire has been brought under control. The pipes under Egoli gas has been isolated. Everything is fine, so they're just going to investigate in terms what it really happened, but it was an ongoing maintenance happening at the Egoli gas. So the fire, it looks as if it's under control. So the explosion that happened, yeah, as you can see, yeah. So we must get a full report in terms of what really happened. As you can see, the fire has been put under control. It's fine. So this is actually part of the, again, the ongoing, they say the maintenance happening at the Braamfontein by the Egoli gas. So they're gonna immediately investigate what really happened, but there was an explosion for the Egoli gas. The guy was working on the pipeline and then everything exploded. Okay, we're currently now at the corner of De Korte and Bertha. There seems to be an explosion at the manhole where the gas belongs to Egoli gas. So the EMS is on the scene right now. We're checking out, so you can see that the fire is coming back and forth. So the explosion is from the Egoli gas pipes. They are busy doing the isolation now as we speak. So there's a manhole there. The manhole, the explosion. So the EMS are on the scene and the CM is here on the scene as well to take charge. Thank you.
We're currently on the scene in the CBD where there's been another gas leak, a suspected Egoli gas pipeline. Now if you look here, there are vehicles from Egoli gas on scene. What EMS have been telling us that Egoli gas were working here. You do see an Egoli gas truck that has been partially burnt. Members of City of Johannesburg EMS and firefighters are on scene. They've managed to extinguish the fire. The gas pipeline within this area has been cut off. Now the smell of methane gas is quite prevalent right here where we are, and the officials on site and authorities have taken, the precautionary measures to cordon off this area and are not allowing any members of the public to come close to this area whatsoever. So this is how things currently stand, and this is the scene in the CBD.
Family, the clips that you have just watched are from people who were there just confirming to us that lives were not lost, people are safe, and the Egoli Gas Company, they were able, to extinguish the fire. So it's only the building that has been damaged as well as the Egoli truck. Thank you very much, family, for watching this video to the end. Please do not forget to like it, subscribe for my channel if you haven't done so. I love you, family. Thank you. Bye.